On this episode, we talk site access to your home during construction. Alright guys, so we all know that seeing your house go up is very, very exciting. So what I wanted to do is talk about the site access to your site. Now, we all know that a building site can be extremely dangerous. We have building products being delivered, we have trades being working, machines in operation, so a lot of dangerous things that can be happen. So and everyone's really excited to get onto their site. So I want to make sure that you guys are up front, ask your builders exactly what their process is to gaining access to the site during construction. Now, every best practice builder should have a process in place, so it's ideal for you to find out exactly what that is. Now, I would not recommend at all going onto any site without being with your builder or having your builder's permission. Now, there are a few different things that different builders can do. There's a lot of different stages they can actually do it, so they will definitely have a process in place. You can do a pre-site start walkthrough. You may do a pre-gyprock walkthrough, you may do a pre-handover walkthrough. So there are definitely different stages that they will have certain selected walkthroughs with your site supervisor. They may allow you access to the site without them there, but they probably will have a precaution and some steps you need to follow before gaining access to your site. Now, I do recommend that don't do anything without contacting your builder or your supervisor. If you want to gain access to your site, I highly strongly against going on site without notifying your builder, because it is a very dangerous spot. Now, more than likely, most supervisors and builders are very cooperative with you guys, as we know it's a very exciting time for you guys. So the best thing to do is be as open as possible with your supervisor and with your builder, and I'm sure they're definitely going to be able to help you guys out. And obviously you get some great photos along the way. In the comments below, guys, I'm very curious to know exactly how you had access to your site, how were you allowed on there. In the comments below, definitely leave that as well too. And if you know anyone who would like to watch this video, then definitely tag them in the comments below. And guys, if you are dealing with a best practice builder, then there should already be a process for this in place. All right guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.